Welcome back to my channel. Welcome, guys. Welcome. If you guys cannot already tell, I am very obsessed with fenugreek seeds. This is because it has worked for me, so I will continue to use it. Today, we are going to be making a hairspray using both fenugreek seeds and aloe vera. So the first step is to measure out the amount of fenugreek seeds that you need, put it in a jar, and then measure out your water and then pour it into the mason jar containing the fenugreek seeds. After which you are going to set it aside and let it infuse for a couple of days. If the weather is hot, make sure you place this in a cool, dry place because that's where it needs to properly infuse. I am also going to write the date on this because I need to know how long my infusion is going to take. After 7 days, this is what it looks like now. As we can see, the seeds are now a little swollen, opened up. So I know that it definitely did infuse. You can leave it as long as you want, a week, 2 weeks. If you're going to leave it for more than a week, I suggest that you add an essential oil to help with the smell. Now we're going to the other part of the video, which is working with our aloe vera. I am only going to be using half. I will cut it up and then put it in a clean bowl with clean water. I let it soak overnight and this is what it looks like, which is very important for you guys to soak it. If not, it's going to make your scalp itchy. After which you wash it in clean water and then you begin the process of taking out the gel. You want to make sure that you take out all the gel that you can. After doing this, I am now going to show you guys an alternative way of blending this aloe vera gel for those that don't have a blender. Basically, what I'm going to do is this is all I can only show you guys because explaining it is just going to be funny. But I would say you could either use a wooden spoon to just keep turning and turning it, or yeah, pretty much, or you could just use a blender. But this is an alternative for those that do not want to use a blender, or you feel like you want to do this but you don't have a blender. After this, I am now going to strain this with a cheesecloth. You could use whatever works for you, but I do love using the cheesecloth. After straining, I am going to now add both the fenugreek water and the aloe vera gel together, and you guys can see that is a little slimy, which is perfect. Now I am going in with the essential oils that I love after I transfer it to my spray bottle. I'm also going to be leaving the link to my Amazon storefront for you guys to check out. It has all these things that I use. So I went ahead, I added the rosemary and castor oil to it. Then I will add the wild hair growth oil. Then, of course, I will add my peppermint oil. And you can always store this in the fridge. Honestly, you could add whatever essential oil that has worked for you or is working for you and add as needed. This brings us to the end of today's video. This is a very straightforward video. I am going to leave all the measurements in the description. And of course, we know how important fenugreek is to the hair. It prevents premature graying of the hair, it stimulates hair growth, and aloe vera has so much benefit both for our hair and our skin. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and of course, subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.